The agricultural drainage machine from LaSole Company is a state-of-the-art piece of equipment designed to help farmers improve their drainage systems and optimize crop yields. This innovative machine is specifically designed to provide efficient and effective drainage, while minimizing the need for manual labor and reducing the risk of soil erosion. At the heart of the agricultural drainage machine from LaSole Company is its advanced drainage mechanism. This machine employs a series of blades that are specifically designed to cut through the soil and create channels for water to flow through. As the machine moves through the field, it cuts trenches that are precisely spaced to allow for optimal water flow and drainage. The drainage mechanism on the agricultural drainage machine from LaSole Company is designed to be both efficient and user-friendly, with a total capacity of up to 2 hectares per day. The machine is capable of cutting trenches up to 1.5 meters deep.